What are germs and why do they matter?
Germs are microscopic organisms like bacteria and viruses that can cause illness. Though invisible to the naked eye, they're everywhere, in the air, on surfaces, and even on our hands. Some are harmless, but certain germs can make us sick. Understanding how these germs move from place to place helps us protect ourselves and others from infections.
Direct contact, spreading germs person to person.
Germs often spread through direct contact, such as touching hands, hugging, or kissing. When an infected person coughs into their hand and then shakes yours, germs transfer easily. Simple everyday actions, like touching your nose, eyes, or mouth after shaking hands, provide germs a pathway into your body. That's why frequent hand washing is a key preventive step.
Indirect contact, contaminated surfaces and objects.
Germs can survive on surfaces like doorknobs, phones, and countertops for varying periods. Touching a contaminated object and then touching your face allows germs to enter your system. Everyday items, remotes, keyboards, elevator buttons often act as hidden carriers. Routine cleaning of common surfaces and good hand hygiene play a big role in reducing this risk.
Droplets and airborne spread when sneezes and coughs matter.
When someone coughs, sneezes, or even talks, tiny droplets carrying germs can travel through the air. Larger droplets usually fall quickly onto surfaces, but some viruses can stay suspended and be inhaled. Close physical proximity increases the risk. Covering your mouth when sneezing and improving ventilation help reduce the airborne spread of germs.
Food and water, invisible pathways into our bodies.
Contaminated food and water can carry harmful germs directly into our digestive system. This can happen from unsafe handling, undercooking, or improper storage. Drinking untreated water or consuming unwashed produce increases risk. Safe food preparation practices and clean water sources are essential for blocking this transmission route.
Prevention, your daily defense against germs.
Good hygiene habits are your best defense against germs. Regular hand washing, cleaning frequently touched objects, cooking food thoroughly, and covering coughs or sneezes all help stop the spread. Staying up to date on vaccinations also reduces your risk of catching contagious diseases. By knowing how germs spread, you can make simple choices to stay healthier every day.